Hi traders, this is Prakash Gaba here, Nifty view for 14th August 2020. Well, Nifty we had a target of 11,378. I said that this is a very strong resistance and we have not been able to cross that. Why is it a strong resistance? Let me explain this to you for the first time, which I normally don't do it. See, if you look at the all-time high of 12,430, to the recent low that we have seen in March somewhere of 7511. If you look at the entire picture, there is a very strong resistance at 11,378. So as long as that 11,378 is not taken out, I would like to respect it as a resistance. So far still looks okay to me. Still tells me the trend is still intact, and that could always say because the trend indicators are up. Now 11,240 is a crucial pivot support to work with. So as long as that holds is fine. And if you see the way it has gone up, 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days of an up move. 9 days of an up move from swing low to swing high. So it may be difficult to cross this 11,378 in this campaign. Now even if it does cross, assuming for a moment, then the next technical target is 11,466. One way it can cross is once it starts to open above the gap, like a breakout gap, then it can go to 11,466. But if it opens somewhere here, there's a good chance it could be still sluggish. Let us look at Nifty internals. Well, internals is suggestive that this is a typical sideways zone. Earlier we said this could be some kind of a head and shoulder pattern, this kind of a shoulder, this head and this shoulder. Now we can say there's a double head and one shoulder here, again a shoulder here. So as long as this holds, we must also respect it as a consolidation. And if it takes out the high of this one, then it's going to around 11,466. But if it opens somewhere here and breaks this zone of 11,250 or so, then we may see it slide to 11,160. So there is some kind of a congestion around here. If it opens somewhere closer to this, and if it starts to go up, it's likely to find resistance here. There's too much of headwinds out here. So all those people who have bought here will be stuck if it opens lower and comes down, and they will push it down. But if it opens here and starts to trade here and goes out from here, these guys will be profitable and they will act as support zone. So I would view that depends where it opens. That's very, very important. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Well, Nifty Bank, here it is. I see this move, 9 days of an up move, and I don't like the way it's gone up. See the way these are going up is good, but this is the way it's gone up, I am not very comfortable. It doesn't show any display, any strength. There's a diversion between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty has not seen a new high when Nifty has. So there is a problem out here. So I have a feeling that Bank Nifty, let's look at internals of Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty internals, it cracked here the moment intraday. This was the first sign of weakness. So far it still looks weak to me. And I would say that if it opens somewhere here, very good chance we can see it slide to around 22,000 zone, which is a strong psychological support to work with. And if 22,000 goes, then maybe lower levels to around 21,800 zones is possible. But if it opens up here, good resistance around these zones. So far, I would be slightly cautious on Bank Nifty because I don't like, let me mark it out. I don't like this structure here. That's all I will tell you. So there's a resistance out here. So maybe some kind of sluggishness is there. Let's see how Bank Nifty unfolds. But basic important thing is trading is only about making money, nothing else. Trade what you see, not what you think. Trade the markets, not the forecast. And yes, enjoy the ride.